One of the most important things about maintaining a lawn is to mow at the proper height. In fact, a cool season grass like we have behind us, this is tall fescue, needs to be mowed at about 3.5 to 4 inches. Now that's taller than most people would realize. That's important so that it will shade the roots and allow the roots to grow deep into the soil. 3.5 to 4 inches means that we're going to mow at about 6 inches of height because we never want to remove more than 1/3 of the leaf blade at any one time. It's also important that we use the right machinery, the right equipment with nice sharp blades so that we get a clean cutting edge and we don't invite disease and fungus into our lawns. The last thing I think is important about maintaining a lawn is to make sure that the clippings are returned back into the soil. So I don't bag my clippings, I leave them right there on the soil as long as it's not getting too excessive and smothering the grass. That'll provide nutrients and provide some nitrogen throughout the rest of the year in a really low and slow rate. So if you use these tips to maintain your lawn, mowing at the right height, making sure and using the right equipment with sharp blades, and leaving your clippings on the surface so that they can return and provide nutrients and fertilizer in the long run will help you have a beautiful, lush lawn.